Hi, my name is Amy McCafferty.
And I'm Eric McCafferty, and we want to welcome you to 19251 Black Road, located in Los Gatos.
This incredible property will take your breath away. It's not often you find such an extraordinary estate. Originally constructed in 1988 and then extensively remodeled since, your beautiful sanctuary awaits on 30 incredible acres. Exceptional outdoor and indoor living spaces. It's a playground for adults and children alike. This is resort-style living in Los Gatos.
The residence itself is 6,500 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2 laundry rooms, and an impressive study. There's also 2 garages with enough space to comfortably store at least 7 cars. You'll love the incredible views from all the large picture windows, and outside there's multiple balconies and a 1,500 square foot limestone patio with views of the Lexington Reservoir. This is luxurious living at every corner, both inside and out.
Enjoy the tour of this fabulous estate. This is such an awesome property, spectacular grounds, an incredible pool and spa, beautiful conservatory, great open spaces, hiking and biking trails in your own wooded hills.
And a lovely home with a thoughtful floor plan showcasing views at every corner. Have it all right in your own backyard.
We look forward to showing you this spectacular estate. See you soon.